Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing another cleaning video. This little kitty cat you're seeing right here is Miss Little Zara. She's a Siamese kitty and she's got a heart of gold when it comes to me, but the three other cats, she's like a holy terror to them. They do not like her very much, so she only sticks to a couple people, and she loves playing this little game, and we could do this all day. Alright guys, so here is the little spare bedroom that I'm cleaning today. It's a little bit of a disaster. Certain things need to be cleaned and tidied up. As far as the carpet and stuff like that goes, for some reason the carpet in this house has always had stains, and it's been really challenging to even get any of them out. So you'll just have to bear with me with that and just kind of ignore that. I usually can't get it clean anyways. So let's go ahead and get started. I know some of you guys probably feel the same way I do as far as just starting tasks and getting things done. Like, obviously we know it needs to be done and things look a mess. But yeah, just getting the urge to start and beginning with things is really kind of like how you get your groove and how you continue. So don't be discouraged if you just don't feel like it. That's fine too. And it never has to be perfect. Just do what you can, do the best you can, and that's it. So do any of you guys have like favorite areas in your house that you like to clean versus others? I think probably my favorite would be the kitchen, and my least favorite would be the bathroom. I always feel like I don't ever clean well enough in the actual bathroom itself, and especially with tiles, I have the hardest time making it look nice and super clean, and I always feel like I spend the whole day trying to make it work. But yeah, if you have a certain area that you like the most, leave a comment down below and let's start a little discussion. And if you guys don't want to, you don't have to, but it's just a little icebreaker. if you guys have found my channel through just these cleaning videos that I've done, welcome, and there's a lot of other stuff to watch as well. I do kind of think I'm gonna stick with a lot of the cleaning videos right now. It just makes sense since I'm already cleaning my house as it is, and why not make some content out of it. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, then give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and as far as everything else, I'm just gonna let the music play.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.